There are two issues on which I'd like to draw the media attention. There has been a lot of news coverage based on IB reports that there is a threat to all BJP leaders. Based on IB sources, the media has been reporting, a section of the media has been reporting that the BJP leaders' lives are under threat, and the BJP is very concerned and worried that even as election environment is on, our leaders are moving from Delhi or from any other place to different parts of the country, and we are very concerned and anxious. If the Home Ministry has taken cognizance of these reports, and if they are taking any measures to ensure the safety of our leaders, there will be a delegation of our leaders who will meet with the Home Minister to voice our concern on this matter. And as this matter also has a dimension, as reported in the media, with terrorism, the media reports based on IB sources have said that such threats could even lead to kidnapping. Kidnapping with a motive probably, I'm only saying what appeared in the media, with a motive probably of demanding the release of Yasin Bhatkal, the terrorist. So with all these dimensions being played out in the public, in the media, all reports based on IB sources as they are being reported, the BJP is extremely worried for the safety of its leaders. We will certainly meet the Home Minister as and when we get the time from his office. We'll certainly go and present a demand that protection and foolproof cover be provided to all our leaders, because you have them moving around the country for campaigning. We do not want our leaders to be exposed to any kind of threat. This is one of the issues. The second is, as regards Jammu and Kashmir, the BJP's stated position is very well known. And when you're talking of Jammu and Kashmir being a border state as it is, there is a dimension of the external and a dimension of the internal affairs. In the recent past, we have been hearing from different sections of society in Jammu and Kashmir that it was indeed during NDA time that if there has been any development or engagement with the people of Jammu and Kashmir, it was only during the NDA time. And as a contrast with UPA, with the last 10 years, NDA stood better in engaging with Jammu and Kashmir, better in ensuring peace in Jammu and Kashmir, and in ensuring development reaching the people of Jammu and Kashmir. You've heard it from different sections of the people of Jammu and Kashmir, and there is a near unanimity on this matter, that if there was an attempt to deal with issues related to Jammu and Kashmir with insaniyat in mind, it was during Atal Bihari Ji Vajpayee's time, and that has been recalled to say if anyone deals with Jammu and Kashmir with greater sense of openness and with Vikas and Shanti in mind, it is NDA. I'm not taking specific leaders' names, but these have been coming through in the last few days. We like to remind in this context that it is NDA which is seen with a certain set of hopes by the people of Jammu and Kashmir, and that is very important as it comes at this time, because it is the BJP under the leadership of Shri Narendra Bhai Modi which will definitely be bringing back the days when NDA ruled under Sri Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji's netritva. And it is that kind of a leadership with which the people of Jammu and Kashmir are hoping that peace and development would reach that region. Thank you.